My dear student friends, hope you are fine. Today, let's go through a magical world of elves. Are you ready to see this wonderful world? Let's go. Scene 4. The next morning, enter the shoemaker and his wife. They are surprised to see 6 pairs of shoes on the table. Surprise means a feeling caused by something sudden or unexpected. Shoemaker, oh my, 6 pairs of shoes. Shoemaker's wife, again, wow, they are pretty too. Pretty means attractive in a delicate way. Who is sewing all these shoes? Shoemaker, I don't know what's going on. Customers enter the shop as soon as the shoemaker opens the door. Customer 2, a woman. Oh, these are lovely shoes, dear. Lovely means very beautiful or pleasant. I would like to buy them. Customer 3, a man. Yes, they are. And look at these. Customer 2, they look great. Customer 3, a man. Looking at the shoemaker. We will take both these pairs. Shoemaker, of course. Thank you very much, sir. Exit customers, shoemaker and his wife. The narrator enters. Narrator. The shoemaker sold the shoes straight away. Days passed. Each day the shoemaker bought more leather. And the next morning he found new shoes. Soon the shoemaker became rich. The narrator exits. The shoemaker and his wife enter. Now they are dressed in fine, costly clothes. Shoemaker's wife. We must find out who is helping us. Shoemaker, you are right. Let's stay up one night and find out who does it all. Stay means remain in the same place or in a specified state. Shoemaker's wife, we must give him a gift. Shoemaker, let's give him a good feast. Feast means a large meal marking a special occasion. Shoemaker's wife, definitely. Definitely means without doubt. Blackout. Scene 5. The shoemaker's wife lays the table with food and drink. Then she and the shoemaker hide in the cupboard. Hide means put or keep out of sight. Cupboard means a piece of furniture or small recess with a door used for storage. The light dims out. Dim means not bright or well lit. The narrator enters. Narrator. They stayed awake. 1 hour went by, and a few more. The clock struck 2. Struck means hit with force. Then 3, then 4. Suddenly they came, the 2 little elves. 2 elves enter. They sit on the table and start working. The shoemaker and his wife peep from the cupboard. Peep means look quickly or secretly. Elves sing. This is how we make a shoe. Snip, 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 sew. This is how we make a shoe. Snip, 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 sew. Snip means cut with. small quick strokes. The shoemaker and his wife come out of the hiding place and greet the elves. Greet means meet with friendliness or expressions of welcome. Shoemaker, we don't know how to thank you. The shoes you make are just the best. Shoemaker's wife, how do you work so quickly and make such beautiful shoes? Elf 1, we just work. Helping others is our pleasure. Pleasure means a feeling of satisfaction and enjoyment. Elf 2, but we cannot do it anymore now. There are others like you who are in need. We are going to them from tomorrow onwards. Elf 1, yes, this will be our final visit and this our final shoe. Shoemaker, won't you come from tomorrow onwards? Shoemaker's wife, but why? Elf 1, we helped you when you were in need. Now you can work hard and live happily. The shoemaker moves to the side of the room with his wife. Shoemaker angrily, what did they say? I will not let them go. Shoemaker's wife, but they will be leaving today. Leave means go away from. Shoemaker, pointing at the elves at work, look, they are making beautiful shoes. I can't make such perfect shoes. Perfect means without any fault or defects. I have only one way left. Shoemaker's wife, surprised, what's that? Shoemaker, I will never let them go. I will make them my slaves. Slave means a person owned by another and forced to obey them. Go and close all the doors and windows. Shoemaker's wife moves closer to her husband, holds his hands together. Don't you remember those days? We couldn't pay the rent. Those days of insult, even without food. Insult means speak to or treat in a way that offends. Shoemaker, we will go back to those days if they stop coming. Shoemaker's wife, no dear, it will never happen. They have helped us a lot, made us rich. We shouldn't be this greedy. Greed means a strong and selfish desire for wealth or power. Greedy people can never be happy. Shoemaker, thoughtful, yes, I shouldn't be that greedy. I should be thankful. The shoemaker and his wife look at the elves. The elves finish their work and hand over the shoes to the shoemaker. Hand over means the act of moving power or responsibility from one person or group to another. Elf 1, this is our last shoe. We are leaving. Shoemaker's wife, we will always be thankful to you. Shoemaker, we will work hard and live. Shoemaker's wife, you taught us how to make marvelous shoes. Marvelous means very good, wonderful, and you are leaving now. Shoemaker, this is your last visit. Let's have our dinner. The shoemaker hands the food and drink to the elves. They eat and drink merrily. Merrily means cheerful and lively. Shoemaker's wife, we will keep your memory alive. Memory means the ability to remember things. Alive means living or existing. They moved towards the window. Elf 1. Thank you so much. The food and the drink was good. Elf 2. Your shop is famous now. Work hard and you will have good fortune forever. Fortune means chance as a force affecting people's lives. Exit the elves. The shoemaker and his wife waved them goodbye. Wave means move your hands backwards and forwards or from side to side as a greeting or signal. The narrator enters. Narrator. The elves skipped through the window and disappeared. Skipped means move lightly, jumping from one foot to the other. Disappear means cease to be visible or to exist. They never came back. The shoemaker and his wife worked hard and they lived happily ever after. Black out. My dear student friends, let's go through the words and try to say from the memory. Enter, shoemaker, surprised, swing, customer, leather, rich, exits, good feast, definitely, narrator, stayed, awake, struck, cupboard, peep, snip, saw, hiding place, greet, elf, quickly, beautiful shoes, pleasure, tomorrow, final visit, happily, angrily, leaving, pointing, perfect shoes, slaves, husbands, greedy people, thankful, finish, handover, taught, dinner, memory, alive, good fortune, forever, goodbye, skipped, disappeared. Okay, my dear student friends, see you later. Thank you for your excellent and wonderful response.